Hey guys, so today I have a super unusual subscription box that I haven't had before for my horror lovers and also my readers, my book lovers as well, and that is Scare Mail. So it says 24 letters, 12 months, one terrifying story. It's by the horror author David Vierguts, hopefully I'm saying that right. Pushing the envelope in horror fiction. So this is an American box, but you can get it posted worldwide. The price that I can see for the UK is £99 a year or £13 a month. I'm not 100% sure on the other countries, it doesn't show me that. If I can find them out though, I will put them down below. I do also have a discount code which is $10 off, and that is Luna10, so I'll put that here on the screen now and down below as well with the link and stuff. And you can get this as a gift box too for a present, which I think is what this is that I have today, and that is $147 in the UK. So if you want to gift this for a year of presents, then $147. So I'm going to read the back real quick because I haven't opened this yet, so we're going to kind of read what it's about together. It says, a year-long experience straight to your mailbox. Unlock the mystery with Scare Mail and step into a chilling tale of supernatural terror. Inside this box you'll find the first letter in a twisted saga that follows Michael Miller, a curious and isolated individual who stumbled upon the ultimate clickbait, the dark website scare.me. What Michael found triggered a series of supernatural and psychological events that are tearing his life and his mind apart. Desperate to share his harrowing experience, Michael reached out to horror author David Vierguts, the master of malice, to offer a chilling warning to the world: don't click on scare.me. This box includes your first letter and a code to continue the immersive experience. Subscribe to receive the full Scare.me journey, 24 of Michael's desperate letters, David's responses, and over 100 story artifacts that will draw you deeper into the horror. Perfect for fans of suspense, horror collectors, and those seeking a unique gift, Scare Mail brings an unforgettable storytelling experience straight to your mailbox. Will you be brave enough to uncover the truth? So, I don't know about you, but my mail is never fun. It's always like bills or parking fines or something. So to get a cute little horror package twice a month would be so fun, I feel like. It also does say over 100 story artifacts, so I did quickly check on the site what that meant, and it means you get unsettling photographs, ominous newspaper clippings, and cryptic symbols that turn a simple letter into an enhanced storytelling experience. So you don't just get letters, you also get little bits that go with it as well, which is so fun. So we are going to open this and see what I have in here. Like I said, I know that this one does have some extras in here because I've seen the little picture. Okay, so when you open it up, this is what it looks like. There's like a little pouch over here and then this main box part here. So in the little pouch we have a bookmark that says I survived, and then it says join the Nightmare Riders, David's private reading community, free signed books, free ebooks, free audiobooks. So that's pretty cool. And then we have this, which is just kind of what you can expect to get. So it says 24 beautifully, hauntingly illustrated and designed letters delivered to you twice a month for a year, 100 plus story artifacts with postcards and important documents that expand the story, other fun surprises along the way, exclusive deals on novels, free digital downloads, and a community of snail mail enthusiasts just like you. So that is really cool. Then we have a nice little metal kind of bookmark which says davidvierguts.com. Hopefully I am saying his name right, I'm so sorry if I'm not. And then on this side it says the Master of Malice, and we've got their little logo up here. That is a metal bookmark. Then we have our code. So obviously I'm not going to show you my code because everyone would use it, but it says to start the story please follow these instructions, and then the code is there. And then we've got some little stickers, just some little silly little horror ones. So we've got like a Jason one, a Michael one, and a little kind of sugar skull girl one. And then we have this nice little fancy box, black with gold, says Scare Mail. And in here Oh, I think we have a letter opener and maybe a pen, I think. It's very fancy. I'm just getting them out of the packaging. So this is our fancy little letter opener. It's black and gold again, it says Scare Mail with the logo. So that's to open our letters with. And then again, little logo, black and gold, and I think this is a pen. Yep. So a nice fancy little pen and letter opener there as well for all of your letters you're gonna get. And then we have our Scare Mail envelope. So obviously I'm not going to read this out because one, it would be really long, and two, I don't want to spoil this for anyone that is going to actually get the box because this will be their first letter, but I will quickly show you what is inside. So it says read me first, and this is this letter. Again, I'm not going to read it out. Then next we have this one, which again, another big letter. And then this one says read me last, assuming the third part of the letter. Yep. So one of those said dear David, one said dear Michael, so this is their back and forth of speaking to each other. And then we also have a little postcard. So this is a picture of him and something else here, which I'm not going to read. So yeah, that was Scare Mail. A little bit mysterious, I feel like, because I can't read the letter, but hopefully you sort of got the idea of what the box is. I think it would be so cool to get 2 horror things in the post a month because, like I said, and who really gets like nice mail these days? So I feel like that would be really fun. The little letter opener and stuff is super helpful, and also on the website, if you do get the year-long subscription of this, you can get a little magnetic like book closure box as well, which you keep all of the letters and the artifacts and everything in together, so it sort of reads as one story, which I thought was really cute. He does also have other books on there too because he's a horror author, so if you don't want this but you're into horror books, then do go and have a look, see what he has, and I will put all of the information down below for them in case you want to go and check them out. So I'll put the link, the discount code, all of the information I have. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Anyway, you'll have to let me know what you thought down below, and if you're not already, then please subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.